If they wanted to teach you, they would, but they won't, so I will. Investing terms you should know coming from a qualified financial advisor. Today, we're getting into emerging markets. Emerging markets are the markets of nations that are transitioning from developing economies to developed economies. This means that these countries are now getting global business engagement. They're moving away from agriculture, furthering their industrialization, and along with that comes great economic growth, i.e., money is starting to flow in and development and growth is happening very quickly. These are the returns from the MSCI Emerging Markets Index. Absolutely ridiculous. Countries with emerging markets include but are not limited to countries like China, India, and Brazil. Now, along with more global investments, you will typically have an expanding middle class, rapid growth in GDP, along with development of more modern infrastructure and institutions. From an investor's perspective, i.e. for me and you, this can mean that there is money to be made, and a lot of it, but it also comes with some risks. The risks are that a lot of the countries that have emerging markets can fall victim to potential political instability, currency fluctuations, immaturity of regulations within the market, amongst other factors that can mean things aren't always plain sailing. Is there a place in your portfolio for emerging markets and the rapid growth that they offer? Potentially, depending on your appetite for risk. Are there also risks attached to emerging markets investments if it is an area you choose to invest in? Absolutely. But as we covered in day 3, this is why diversification is so important when it comes to your investment portfolio. But that is all for today. Congratulations for completing day 6 of 30 investing terms that you should know. If you're actually finding these videos helpful, please just comment golden in the comment section. I know these videos aren't going to be for everyone, but I want to feel like I'm at least reaching those who need it. And I will see you guys tomorrow for our next lesson.